Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back at Target's Dollar Spot, and I literally just walked in, and I'm already seeing some amazing little finds. So let's jump right to it and get started. All right, so the first thing I'm noticing are the cute little plates, the paper plates. These are $1. How many do you get in here, actually? It doesn't say. I think it's like 5. So they have the paper plates. They have these little hot dog boats. It's a big ass hot dog. Sorry, excuse the language. And they also have the paper cups. I wish they would tell you how many you get in here. It just says 12 fluid ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Okay, you get 6. So I'm guessing you get 6 plates. And they have the little pinwheels. Whee! And let's see, these are $1. Okay, so I'm loving the prices so far. And they also have this color as well, which is pretty cool. And check out the cute little sunglasses. These are $3. I don't like that price. And let's see, more. Oh, this one's cute. And then this one, these are really nice, actually. Let's see if there's any other styles. They have these that remind me of like those old Kanye style. They have this, which I think we just saw. There's more over here. And then they also have the little glow bracelets. These are $1. And they also have the cute little necklace, the light up necklace. These are $3. And more of the little hoops. Glow necklace for years 5 and up. And they have some pretty nice dish towels. Look at that. They have the stars, and they also have, see if I can move these, Happy 4th, and has a little, and then they have the solid blue and the, not solid blue, but the striped colors in the back. So that's pretty nice. And look at these, the little skewers, and then these are new as well. The little serving trays, $5. Wow. And then the American flag, also $5. I feel like those should be $3, honestly. And then they have these little cute little runners. It says Stars and Stripes. And then this one says welcome, and you guys can tell right there. And then the red one says 4th of July. I don't know if you can tell on my camera. I'll definitely post pictures though. And look at this. This is so stinking cute. Like, this is literally so cute. I can't. This is literally cuteness overload. Yeah, these are $5. Okay, this I feel like it's definitely worth $5. So, all right, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. So let's continue on with this amazing walkthrough here at Target's Dollar Spot. Oh my God, you guys, look what I just found as well. These are $3. These are the lemons. I'm gonna pick these up for my friend who is obsessed with lemons. These are so nice. If I could take the paper off so I can show you. And the way I'm taking the paper off because I'm actually buying it. So I don't want anyone to say anything or have an issue with it. But these are so nice. Again, these are $3. I grabbed one of those. Oh my God, these are so nice. I can't get over it. Wait, is it a set? Oh my God, it's a set of 2. I was about to literally just take one. Wait, so this one is missing one. Okay, so I'm not gonna take that one. I'll take this one. It's a set of 2. Oh my God, you guys, so exciting. And this is the reversible food server. Oh. How cool is that? So it's a cake stand or also a nacho plate. That's pretty cool. But I love these. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, let's see what they have here. The little Hawaii. Oh my God, finally I found it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. These are $3. And then, don't worry, I'm gonna take that one. These are so cute. Oh, they're fairies. I was wondering. I was like, okay, well, I thought they were just like little Hawaiian characters. No, they're actually fairies. That's so funny. And I'm gonna take this one. You guys, this is such a crazy day. I'm so excited I came into Target's Dollar Spot Summer Day Deals. Hey. All right, let's look at these. What is this? This is like a little grass thing. Plant picks, rather. Okay, I'm seeing more things on the corner of my eye. Okay, so stay calm. Oh, wow, look at... Okay, oh, that one's broken. But this is for like your little fairy garden. And this is the little house. And this is where you actually combine everything, I guess. These are $5. And I know we've seen these. Look at that, the little metal containers. These actually go well with the ones from Dollar Tree. So definitely a good pickup. And look what else I'm noticing. Oh, this is heavy. This is a little paper towel caddy. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. Well, they have it in blue. And they have it in the natural color, which is really nice. And again, they're $5. Look at that. So it's for the napkins and also the paper towels. So that is a great deal. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, that is so adorable. It says take it easy. Life is sweeter in the summer. And in this one, it's just a plain old. And they even have these little folding trays. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are $5. I figured as much. And they also have this one, the oval shaped. And look what they have as well. They have these new picnic baskets. They had some last year. Now they brought it back. Well, different styles, but these are the baskets from this year. Oh, wow. How cute is that? Wow, so many amazing deals here at Target's Dollar Spot. All right, so the 4th of July items continue. Check these out. These are brand new. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea what I'm about to show you, so I'm gonna stay calm, but trust me, there's a lot more. Look at this, is a little table signs. These are 3 pieces. Fireworks stands open daily. Fireworks, $3 for that. And then they have these little stars and stripes. These are also $3. Oh, what's this? Looks like little corks. Oh, maybe they are corks? Tabletop signs. Okay. $3. Put it back where I found it. And they also have these solar lights. These are $5. And they're pretty nice, actually. So, not a bad deal. All right, look at these. Oh my God, these pictures are everything. Look, they're $5. That is beautiful. You can use it for actual water or just use it for decorative. These are beautiful. Holy cow, you guys. I am freaking out. Trying to stay calm because there's so many amazing deals. Look at these little trays. Wow. Look at that. They have the stripes. And I am losing my mind. Look at this one. Look at this tray. Little tier tray. Look at these. These are $5. That is so nice. That is seriously so nice. And then they have the star pillows. You can see right there. Welcome, friends. And I like these. These are really nice for $5. Like, I know Five Below has pillows too, but their stuffing is just very cheap. I have to say Target's Dollar Spot pillows are the best because they just have really good filling, and they're always like really nice. And you know, for $5, we're getting a decent deal. So. But yeah, I am so excited. I'm loving all of these amazing deals here at Target's Dollar Spot. So my friends, I hope you are enjoying this walkthrough. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's continue on with this amazing walkthrough here at Target. Oh, and check these out. These are cute little containers. These are 2 for $5, so it comes out to $2.50 each. And then these are the tortilla holders. No, this is a rope basket with lid. or use it as a tortilla holder. And then these cute little woven baskets as well. These are all $5. And I haven't seen these yet. I know that these have been out for a while, but I'm just finally noticing them. They're $5. A nice little stand for $5. Oh, and to go with the lemon decor, check these out. They have these fake lemons, so if you really want to go in with the lemon theme, and these are pretty nice. Little cactus, they're $3. Nice little vase or drinking glass. No, I'm just kidding. And drink a little margarita out of that. But yeah, these are pretty cool. So let's continue on with the walkthrough. All right, and look at these. These are the little kids wrap around towels. They have them in brown, orange, I guess, pink, and also in blue. And they have these cute little towels as well. Cute little beach towels for $5. These are really colorful. Really nice. For $5, you can't really go wrong there. And look at these beach balls, flamingo. They have the rainbow and the little shark, very cute. Oh my God, so many great little finds today here at Target's Dollar Spot. They have oh my God, these are the little coolers. These are the keep your beer cold wherever you go, and it's a little life jacket. Let's see, how much are they? They're $3. And then this one is just a more classic one. Is keep your beer cold wherever you go. And what is that for? Like, oh, golfing, duh. That's cool. So you can put your little golf pins in there. Oh, these are cute. World's Best Dad. Actually, I don't know if Dad wants to wear something that's cute, but you know, they're clever. Cute little socks. I can't stop saying the word cute. Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're clever. They're very manly, very masculine. That's right. Number 1, Dad. I should totally get these for my dad. Number 1, Dad. Grill Master. Yeah, actually, I don't know what it is about dads, but they all love to grill. My dad loves to grill too. Like, don't touch his grill because that's his thing. World's Best Dad. Cute little mugs for $3. And the fishing one, he's not really a fisher. He does sometimes, but he's not huge on that. This one, it says groom. Oh, this is for bridal. The bride. Cheers. And speaking of cheers, they have the mugs. These are nice. And then this one is like champagne. Oh, these are for the groom and bride. Oh, how cool is that? That's clever. And look at the storage basket. I feel like these kind of match the lemon stuff we saw earlier. They have it in yellow and also in blue. I'm guessing these are $5. Let's see. These are $5. Yep. Yes, they are. All right. And then these, I think we've seen before. So what's this? Oh, yeah. These are the little not first aid, emergency kits for the groom and the bride. All right, so this is not part of the walkthrough, but I had to share this with you guys. This is Absolute Mango Mule, and then they have Absolute Grapefruit Paloma for $10.99. I'm like, oh, I might have to get some of these. These look really good. I might have to try some of these. This is definitely a new item. I love when they roll stuff out for summertime.